World star, nigga.
Oh, fuck my life.
Another Ratchet night.
This man.
This man.
And his lame ass. That nigga looking for
Go deep. Hey, don't call
Real
me.
nigga, what's up, nigga? Follow me. Zigzag Zay _
I'm following Zigzag Zag.
This nigga's yeah, buddy on Twitter.
Yeah, you fucking missed the high five on that shit.
It's his birthday, so this is what he's looking like, Ratchet.
Yeah, buddy. That's what's up. And then we turn werewolf after we've tweeted.
So what's your favorite thing to do, Krim?
Fucking grow hair because I don't have much hair on my body. You don't even know what's up. We grow hair like a motherfucker when it comes to time.
Do you get it braided or what?
No, fuck that. No, it's dirty. I grow fangs. I load up on hair. And then because I'm Native American, you don't see it.
Yo, get that.
I got you. You think I'm fucking up right now? You know what's up? What's up? Hey.
I was just walking.
You
weak as hell, nigga. You better chill.
You over here.
You gonna see this nigga get world star.
What's up? You think I'm lying? When you see a werewolf in town, you'll be like, that shit's Crim. He fucking knew what was going on. You fucking think I'm lying.
You ever met the Super Mario Brothers before?
No, because they ain't Native American, bitch. They're fucking Italian. Their shit is totally different than us.
So, what's tonight? How you doing tonight?
Tonight's a full moon. You can look outside if you want. I'm about to turn in like 2.5 hours.
Nigga, I'm Ollie.
It's actually like a waning.
Yeah, like the full moon was Friday. When he went to jail, Jake is free, guys. Just to let you know, free Jake. Trending on Twitter. I started it. Y'all finished it. He's out. Yeah, back to this nigga.
This is my girl right here. She don't have a boyfriend. Her name's Jin Jungle. She's trying to hit.
No.
This is ridiculous. Oh my god. I'm so drunk. Oh, what the fuck is going on?
The former first lady of the crowd and shit.
You just have her fuck married you?
Are you gang affiliated, Krim?
Am I what?
Gang affiliated.
Yeah, buddy.
I'm now the former.
Yeah.
I'm a blood for life,
stop.
bro.
I'm not.
You can't go into that. You can't go into that.
Just get it. Wait a minute. Did you hear about the blood?
I might have to cut the video. I might have to cut the video, dog. You can't go into
What's your
that.
favorite animal? Besides the werewolf.
Favorite animal besides the werewolf? Alaskan husky. Because it's shit.
I'll beat your white ass.
But
That's
for real,
right.
Krim. How old are you today, dog? Whoa.
you can't see the light because
This gay ass nigga.
My nigga
Jake's
Zay
the
over
real
here.
faggot. Check out that
My nigga
Instagram.
Zay 22. He coming in. Look at this shit. Ah! Look at him coming in. I got his backpack. Look at this shit. I got his
World star,
backpack.
nigga.
I got his backpack. I'm sorry, Zay. What's in this phone?
I swear to God.
Zay, what's in this phone? This my
World star
phone.
makes me want to get on
That's
it.
my motherfucking phone with Zay's backpack. Don't Zay, give my fucking. I didn't do my flip-flops. He took
Break
my
your
phone. Zay, that's fucking.
So give me the damn back.
On 3.
Stop. No, nigga, give me the damn back. I'll give you that phone. You drunk, nigga.
Give me my phone.
Jake the
World
cat.
star niggas in here.
Jay, I'm drinking my phone.
This nigga stole the phone. White people.
Turn the video off.
Don't listen to this bitch.
Tell these motherfuckers.
You better listen to this bitch. I'm drunk as fuck. I'll tackle Zay like a motherfucker.
Phone is just right hooked up in the air, nigga.
World star. Nigga, why did you?
Oh my God.
Jake, hold up. You just got out of jail. We can't have you on World Star doing violence. Nigga, chill.
White, come on, sit down.
I'm sitting down, ready?
Come on, Krim.
Jake on some gay shit. Yo, why y'all niggas coming towards me?
I don't know where Chris coming. I got him. I got him.
And this is exactly why the camera's on right here. Oh, shit like this. Okay. Shit like this. This is like world motherfucking star,
I'm too
nigga.
hot for all this, bro. Bro, like, this is
Let me
too
just
gay
step
for
over
me,
these.
yo.
Nigga, let them know what's going on.
I'm too high.
These niggas is just fucked up. Like, he's trying to tackle people. Now he's finna pass out right there.
I'm not caring.
Nigga, this shit is crazy, man. World star, nigga. Rapping.
What the fuck you on tonight? What have you drunk tonight for your
I
birthday?
drank like 12
Drank.
fucking platinum bottles and he gave me a hydro.
I didn't give him nothing. Don't come.
My nigga Zay gave me a hydro. Don't even let this bitch
I
lie to
give him
you.
the heat lying. I don't
He
give
gave me a hydro. I'm fucked up.
I don't know. this is the second time I met this kid.
We need to go get some motherfucking liquor from the grocery store.
And that's not what we're about to do.
Yes, he is. Don't lie to that shit. What is it? What time is it? That's not in that pocket.
This is once again
It's 1:03. We got time. We got an hour.
a ratchet ass night.
Well, that's like 7 nights in a row, dog. You're just a ratchet.
I don't